everyone, my name is Pelumi Awomosun and I'm the face behind Popular Apparel Clothing. So today we're talking about 5 basic essential tools you need as a beginner in fashion designing. 5 basic essential tools, important tools you need as a beginner in fashion designing. So the first, which is your measuring tape. This is your measuring tape and it is needed as a beginner in fashion designing so as to enable you take accurate body measurements on your clients and also on your fabrics when you're cutting it. So you need a tape rule as a beginner in fashion designing. So the next thing I'll be talking about is your scissors. Your scissors. As a beginner in fashion designing, it is very important. It is essential you have your scissors in order to cut your pattern, your fabrics. You cannot be a fashion designer and you don't have the scissors to cut your fabrics and also your pattern. Also, the next thing we'll be talking about is the tailor chalk. Yes, a tailor chalk. It is very, very important. It is very, very essential. You cannot claim to be a fashion designer and you don't have a chalk because you need this to trace out, mark out your measurement on your fabrics. Yes, this is what you use. Use it to trace out your measurement on your fabrics. You cannot just judge with your head. You need a tailor chalk to trace it out. So the next thing we'll be talking about is our thread and our needle. Yes, thread and needle. And the needle, I'll be showing you 2 different types of needle. This is the hand needle. Yes, it is essential. You need the hand needle as a beginner and also the sewing machine needle. This is the sewing machine needle. It is essential as a beginner. You need your sewing machine and also your thread. Yes, that is what you use to sew. You join your fabrics together, your thread. So it is important you have it as a beginner in fashion designing. So the next thing I'll be talking about is the sewing machine. Yes, your sewing machine. As a fashion designer, sewing machine is one of the essential tools you need. Like it is very, very important you have your sewing machine because that's what you use to sew your clothes, your fabrics. Once you're done using your scissors, your tape rule, your needle and all, your chalk, you need a sewing machine to join your fabrics together to give you the desired results you want. So in addition to it, we're talking about the ripper. Yes, as a fashion designer, as a beginner, it is important you have your ripper. Yes, because that's when you make mistake while trying to sew your clothes and you need to lose it out, you make use of your ripper to lose it out. It's much more easier. It's even better than the razor blade. It is better you have the ripper. So those are the basic tools you need as a beginner in fashion design. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.